Imagine a marketing tool that made $68 for every $1 spent in 2024. That's not an ad budget, that's what brands using Omnisend are getting back from email plus SMS. And here's why I think it's a game changer. Now, before we dive into Omnisend, it's important to know that a lot of people think email marketing is dead, but that's just simply not the facts. Despite all the hype around TikTok, AI, and short-form content, email is far from dead. In fact, according to Omnisend's most recent data, automated emails drove 37% of all their email-driven sales, despite making up just 2% of volume. And get this, 1 in 3 people who click on those automated messages go on to make a purchase. That's the kind of leverage every e-commerce brand dreams of. So what exactly is Omnisend? Well, Omnisend is an e-commerce first email plus SMS platform used by over 150,000 different brands, and it's rated 4.8 stars. It's powerful without being clunky. It's got automation, segmentation, push notifications, SMS, and campaigns all live in one intuitive dashboard. So let's actually check this out and install it. All we got to do is type in Omnisend into the Shopify App Store, and then you'll be sent to this page here. And then you simply press install. From that point, we go for the second install button. Now, from that point, you'll be sent to the Omnisend dashboard, and this is where you can basically complete their setup checklists, which will include things like setting up your welcome emails, collecting subscribers on your websites, and of course, driving traffic to your store with emails. Now, if we head down to automation, what we can do is actually set up workflows that are automated via email and SMS. So the first one is a welcome series. This is your highest impact automation, turning subscribers into buyers. The average open rate for these emails is about 52%, and the conversion rate is 3.28%. So that could generate massive first-person revenue. So inside Omnisend, all we got to do is click automations, the welcome series, and then we can see a bunch of things here in which we can set up the automations. So with this, we can set up emails, SMSs, and simply just drag it into the workflow with ease. Here's an example of an email we've set up in which, yes, we can customize it with our branding and font. If we want to edit this content as well, very, very easy to do so. As you can see here, this is what the welcome email looks like, in which we do give them a coupon code. And yes, we can actually put in a code here that could be redeemable in our store. As well as that, we can add things like socials and more things like an address, account name, or even emails. Once we're happy with it, we can simply press Start Workflow. And just like that, we can see that it's enabled. Anyone that gives us their email will basically get this automation of an email sent to them. And of course, we can add to that with SMSs and more. Now, the second best automation here, guys, is cart abandonment. This is the single best revenue recovery tool that you can have. So this is Omnisend, and Omnisend is an e-commerce first email and SMS platform used by over 150,000 different brands. Now, this is definitely something you need in your Shopify store. So if you do want to check it out, click the link in the description, guys, and get started for free with no credit card required. So let's create a new workflow, go to abandoned cart, and here is where we can basically make the workflow. So we've got the triggers here, start the workflow after added product to cart wasn't updated for 1 hour. We can go ahead and change that to different amounts of time as well. And then we have the email here, in which we can go ahead and edit. So this email says, we've noticed you've left some items in your cart. These items could be gone soon, so grab them while you can. So this is just going to remind any kind of user or potential buyer that they do have a cart, and if they did lose the site for any reason, then they can get back to it and finish their purchase. Now, the conversion rate on something like this, according to Omnisend's data, is over 32% higher than standard campaigns. Merchants have recovered millions last year with this one flow. So again, once we're happy with this, what we can do is start the workflow. And there we go, that has been added as well here. Now, the third automation that is super important here is browse abandonment. So this is crazy underused, but nearly every big brand uses it. This is where people are browsing, but they abandon the session. So browse abandonment messages have actually helped drive 87% of automated revenue across the top 3 flows. This is big anyway, but it's massive when it's combined with SMS. So let's create the workflow again, scroll down here, and then we can see that it says browse abandonment there, in which, yes, there's product abandonment, back in stock, and of course, browse abandonment here. So let's customize that workflow. And here we can see it says customer enters the workflow when they view a specific page. So what we've got to do here is put in that page in this section here. So we can grab our page here by copying and pasting. So we can grab our page here by copying the link and then pasting it into here. Then we simply press save. So we've got, if they viewed the page, then yes, the automation starts. So we can update that. We can see that yes, if they view a certain product page, it waits 2 hours and then it sends them this email here. Thanks for stopping by. We notice you visited us and we'd love to see you again. So yes, this could get them back into the store. And just like we did with the other two, we start the workflow. So as you can see, we very easily and quickly set up 3 automations there. Now, according to Omnisend's detailed comparison on their reports, SMS is included on all plans, AI tools are included on all plans, and 24/7 human support is also included on all plans. Now, when you compare this to something like Klaviyo, this is significantly more cost effective, and it's a lot easier workflow from my experience for e-commerce merchants. Klaviyo does offer deeper segmentation, but Omnisend is the better all-in-one choice for e-commerce and omni-channel growth. Now, if we're talking about results here, brands using Omnisend have reported 85% increases in campaign revenue after switching, and 525% overall revenue growth after optimizing automations. They've also said that there's been massive lifts in repeat purchases and of course AOV. This isn't theory, these are real e-commerce stores scaling with real automation. If you want to try Omnisend yourself, the link is in the description, guys. You can try the free plan and set up 3 automations, the ones that I've shown you, and just watch what happens to your revenue. If it improves it, then of course you can upgrade, but that is going to be it for this video, guys. Hopefully you've got some value from this, and we'll see you in the next one.